Wow, morning guys. Now it's 3 a.m. in the morning. I just woke up on my sleepy head. Fuck, I slept at 1 a.m. last night. Fucking clubbing until very late.
Yesterday.
我要打10個。And today, 卡撐住excited 一次 again. I want to go Malaysia ride again. I prefer riding alone. One ride in group, I cannot commit. I also don't want like listen to people. I like to anyhow own self ride. So I just go over there myself, enjoy, relax, distress myself from a stressful life. I know. Okay lah, go eat breakfast now. I dress up in my favorite kit now. White color and black jersey. My bike ready. And we see you in a while. Wow, the floor is a bit wet now. Okay, departing Upper Boon Keng Road now. Let's go Woodlands via Walao eh. Anyways, I don't know why today like so many cars on the road. Still see like that. If always do like that, like me like that, will very fast like 猝死, you know. Sleep away. Today I never sleep, come out. I only slept for like 2-3 hours, then come out already. I was so scared, I fucking told you. We'll see how it goes. Humidity fucking 92%. Sweating like hell now. My sweat cannot evaporate. Heart rate very high today.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm at Woodlands now. Ready to cross the border. Yeah, I'm alone. Pray that no shit happened to me. It's me lah. The cars are already queuing up. Let's be smooth. So smooth.
Later.
Yeah, I just cleared the customs. Then now let's go cross the border. This time here. Well, playing a maze like that. Wow. Our journey begins here. Back. Oh yeah, supposed to drive.
and for some IG story. Bandaraya Johor Bahru. Highway very high. Cannot jump already. I reached that too early. Then Ulu, I had no light. I scared. I just see too early. I just stop somewhere to rest first. When the sun comes out, then I go in. Wow, I think I'm still early, yeah. I'm only like 5:30, 5:40 like that. And then in 10:20 km, I'm going to turn to the Ulu Road. I don't know lah. I a bit scared lah. So go in now. Don't say lah. Can still see lah. Now still on the what? The highway? I don't know. Yeah. So today's plan, today's plan I go to where? Where is that? Kulai, go Kulai first. Then I'll go to Pekan, then Pulai bridge, then I one look and south. Wow, got LED screen already. Whoa! I hear them shook, yeah. But I didn't hear them shook, yeah. I come out of the JBCIQ. Until now, I only got one or two traffic lights. Just straight road all the way, yeah. I can release all the monster in my soul. So good, yeah. Don't need to stop for Singapore like France, yeah. Actually, I'm feeling a bit insecure because I feel like I alone very vulnerable, yeah. Although I come here 3 times already. But then, if someone were to rob me, yeah, then I can't defend myself. I sure kena toh. Never mind. Just believe that. Just think of the good side. Not everybody is so bad. But if I were to get in an accident, I don't have insurance. I'm not covered. If death or injury or theft or damage to my property, right? A bit risky, but kind of fun though. My head very sore. Okay, focus on the right.
1 hour later.
This is the Pulai station for the train connecting JP and KL. Pulai station. Very like very long never take it easy. Like 10 plus years already have like here. Okay, that is the toll. So now I think it's a small road. Jalan Sawah. Actually, not bad. I got light, yeah. Not as bad as I thought. Got light. Let's go. There's a bit wet. Light. View is gorgeous. Woo! Wee! Woo! One of the best day of my life. Never this shook before, yeah. Whole nature enjoying myself. Unfuck myself from the fucking stressful life. I'm here retired. Every day enjoy nature, yeah. Hey. It's not what light already, not scary. Now it's about 8 or 6 a.m. I've always wanted to come here. I cannot find finally connect up. Fuck my exam. Never study on. Lag. Ow! Wait for the sun come out. Nice, that was nice. Look at it in front, bro. Wow, very stressed. I got a truck behind me. I'm quite thankful that the drivers keep some distance from me. They not focused. They can kill me instantly, bro. Then it doesn't happen to me. I'm still like nothing happened to me. And also in Malaysia, I haven't kena any puncture yet. Any technical issues. Though the road a bit cracked, some places, ulu one, but generally still quite nice. Nice. Yeah. Wow, fast. Bro, I don't know why. Sometimes when I ride, now I'm in 80 km range, 83 km range. Yeah, mostly around this line is my feet. My feet doesn't hurt already. Like the ball of my foot and my big toe, they're very painful. I don't know why. I think my cleat is positioned off or something. Kind of painful. Feels like very sharp pain down there. Oh my. It's been around for quite some time already. Few years already. I mean years. I just mitigate the pain. Okay. Embrace the pain. Okay. Just right. Halo sapi们，早上好啊！Oh, selamat pagi. 傻逼们！你们这群傻逼，看我做么懒，放下！哎，好真无巧！Oh, I see a farmer riding bike. Farmer. Sao I retire, I become farmer also. I can plant trees. Wow, 这边有去新厝哦，新厝哦，你拍咧，你拍。但是这边去 JB 去新加坡不方便，这路安尼，哇，下来一下。我车。丢了。哎，不要怕我。放手气。对，要跟他玩抓玩哦。哎 ，stop， 地面啊！休息，我的心咪死了，呀啦，跳个阿堅，跳路去是去飯店啊，今日無去啊，今日要去布萊的橋，跳路，行水路去 ，OK。